Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Shafiq. So today I will this is our video assignment regarding the job aspects of technologies of engineering technologies. So for my part, I will talk about the role of technologies. So basically, the technologies are employed in a wide array of industries and areas, including product development, manufacturing, technology operation, and maintenance. So basically, technologies is like more to application, and pure engineering is more to educational. So in general, the work of engineering technologies focus more often on practical application of engineered products and process for a range of purposes, whereas the work of engineers emphasize application of math and science for design development purposes in a ways that tend to require a more extensive theoretical foundation of mathematics and natural science. So the National Society of Professional Engineers summarize the distinction as being the engineers are trained more with conceptual skills to function as designers, while technologies apply other designs, mathematics and science, as well as other technical courses in the technology programs tend to be taught with more application-based examples, whereas engineering coursework provides more theoretical foundation in maths and science, because those are the very subjects that engineers apply directly. So based on what I said just now, this is the role of technologies. Okay, thank you.
Okay, today I will talk you about the challenge of engineering technologies. First, engineering technologies must based on a sound technical education. Second, engineering technologies must understand how the technology is developed and transformed. Third, engineering technologies must protect and defend works. Next, engineering technology must breadth as well as deep in education. And finally, engineering technologies must sensitive on the society and environment issues. Okay, the philosophy of engineering is an emerging discipline that considers what engineering technology is, what is engineering technology do, and how their work back on society. That include the aspect of ethics and aesthetic, ontology, epistemology, philosophy of science. The fundamental principle of engineering technologies. First, engineering technologies must be supporting on the profession. Second, there must be a competence and prestige of the engineering. Next, they must be honest and impartial to public, employees and clients. Finally, they must use the knowledge and skill for the achievement of human being. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Farid Haizal bin Hassan, and now I will continue with what my friend have just told you just now, which is Nabil. Okay, now I will explain to you about the principle of engineering technology. Basically, they have 5 principles. Okay, for the first one, it is mainly to solve the production. The second one is to coordinate people, while the third one is to collect and to calculate the result for every experiment that have done. Fourth, help in designing a new model. Fifth, involve the technician work of quality control. These 5 principles which help engineering technologies to improve their work, which they can help them in improve every aspect of their work. Okay, next I will explain to you for the job scope for engineering technologies. Basically, for engineering technology engineer, they have a quite different type of job scope. Okay, for example, for engineers, it will start from field service, technical sale, production testing, manufacturing, product development, product design, and lastly research. While for engineering technologies, what we can say, it was different from engineering, which the job scope backward from the engineer. For engineering technologies, we will start with research, product design, product development, manufacturing, product testing, technical sales, and lastly field service. So actually they have not many different in their job scope. Okay, that's all from me.
Alright, Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Muhammad Faris Faik,
My name is Muhammad Nazmi.
and today we will be explaining about
Contribution of technology. Today I want to tell you about the contribution of technology. First, water. Water treatment and reuse are sustainable development in public, industry and agriculture sector. For technology nowadays, I have to control the many type of pollute. Technology have to control the microorganic pollute. And second is food. Biotechnology have produced nutrient for crop the resistance of the disease and drought. And they try to avoid to use the chemical toxic as a pesticide. Third is manufacture. Manufacture have begun to reduce and recycle material and product in the industry ecosystem. Company have begun to change product and process design to in way that give the environment that same level of the consideration as worker safety and cost and the quantity of the product. That's all for me. Thank you.
Alright, so that is from Muhammad Azmi. So for my part, today I will be presenting about the contribution of Industrial Revolution 4.0. So what is Industrial Revolution? Industrial Revolution is the change that are made by our engineers and also technologists to change our environment and also the product that we produce for a better future. So our engineers and also technologists has a really big responsibilities, which is to make sure that the product produced by the machines that they made doesn't cause any pollution to the surrounding and also to our society. But do we know the function of engineering technologists? So engineering technologists is the one that help the engineers to handle all the machines. Basically, this engineering technologists is the one that are more specialized on machines and they know all about the machines. So when the engineers and also the technologists combine together, they can produce a machine that could help our environment to become better. And this new technology will help our society by making their work more easier every day. So for example, in our Japanese times, they said that the engineers and also the technologies help a lot in their country, which this field does produce a lot of benefit for their country. So I think by having these engineering technologies that could improve our world, which are damaged day by day. So the new technology that are built should be improving our food industries, our infrastructure and also our healthcare, and which could dramatically change our quality of life in developing the country. Therefore, with the help of suitable charity organizations and also government leaders promoting these engineers, we could develop every country in the world to become better and it would live longer than it's supposed to. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
So
That's all from us. Thank you.
bye.